do it like Whimsical. I'm gonna do it 1, 2 coat. Again, repeating it. Is this time we're gonna do a short nails. We do 1 week. I'm sorry. 1 day is long nails and 1 day is short nails. So that for all of you who has the clients have a short nails, here is a video for you as well. We would like to make sure that we get that, take care, and support all of you. So you don't have to worry about if you have a short nail clients, and then we're always doing your long nails. And I will let it set a little bit. You can see it from really shiny to the matte, and I'm going to using my crystal clear. I'm just opening it, so I want to show you quick. If you pick up for yourself one color of a fusioning, make sure don't forget to get yourself a crystal clear, because this bestie of fusionings can really change the game. So I'm gonna do it like just blend it from the outside toward to the center or to inside, wherever you want to create your veins. You can create more than just a little. You can do more, or you can do a less. It's up to you. This is really simple, easy to achieve. If you want to get like 5 minutes nail art, this is the one for you, and I'm so enjoying this one a lot. Really simple, easy.
So Genesee, your winning name was Tiffany Delight.
So she's really good. Like as we said, you can name so many names. It doesn't matter. Today you're seeing this, and then you name it, and then next you're gonna name it. It doesn't matter. We don't look at the person, the account. We look at the name. So it doesn't matter. You can put 100 name in there. Awesome, because you get more chance to win. We look at the name. We don't look at the account. So do not hesitate. If you feel like you have 100 names, or you have more than just one name, feel free to enter in. And by next Monday, we're gonna announce the winner again. So if you have 10 names that you're gonna name for this set, I'm created for you right now. Please do so, because we're excited to see all the names and more chance to win. So I did using is, and I have piece of paper here. So I tap the brush from a crystal clear here to make sure that it's not contaminated, and bring it back to my bottles. So then that way your crystal clear stay really nice and clean. So when you're doing other color of fusioning, you don't have to worry about if bleeding your other colors, because you don't want all the pink or reds or yellow get back into the bottles. That's gonna affect of whatever color in the future you're using. So with this one, it looks good. If you want to add some of the I think I get the bottles I'm gonna using is gel painting, a black in the bottle, and Precision is one of the last ones. Can you just show the bottle right there? You can get one of the black one. So you make it just like you don't have to make it straight. So it's make it zigzag like this. Look, it's just more like a natural look.
Not quite black.
How's everyone doing on Saturday? Happy Saturday. Hope you have a fabulous day. We'll keep ourselves so busy and productive. I'm excited because today's set is just like really cool. All right, so if you're happy with this, we're gonna keep this one for 30-second flash cue. No, I using a black one. It's not a royal. You seen that? Okay, so In the meantime, I'm waiting for that. I'm gonna using my gel painting Golden Touch. Either you have this, or if you have others, which is, I have it right on my side here. Or you can also use this gold gel painting. If you don't have this, this is ours, like gel painting in the pot. They are, if you look at the colors, they are the same. It's just only a different convenience. If you are using a lot of detail and stuff, that's a precision brush is really go a long way. Or if you have a gel painting on in the pot and use it with twin tip brush, whatever you have, it should works great. And I'm gonna just like doing along with that. And you don't have to do like a absolutely straight, line. Just doing a little bit of zigzag on it. Great, so I am going to keep this one for 30 seconds. This is such a fun nails. What am I first nail for that? That's one is gel painting. Let me do this. I really wanted to try that one. So after that, I am going to using condensed glue gels. I put some. This one, you know what cherry is gonna looks good on. It can be really good on like a nude nail as well. So I'm gonna do something different and see how this is gonna turn out for us. Hugh, you into UFC?
Yes, I do watch MMA live, Res. Tonight gonna be awesome. But yeah, can't watch it live. Have to watch a record later.
What is that? UFC?
It's MMA.
What is that?
Mixed martial art. Tonight's one of the biggest fight they have.
Oh, okay. Isabella watch that too, do you?
Well, I show her, but like she like wrestling more.
Oh.
So live, Res, keep watching, but don't spoil it for me.
Oh, she watching right now?
Yes.
Not bad, awesome. So really thick density, so I just need a really thin coat. It's really cute by itself. If you don't want any charms on it, you can absolutely don't have to put condensed glue gel. It's just top coat and you're good to go. But I want to add something is fun on it. So I am going to add no wipe top coat on the top of condensed glue gels. The reason it is will keep, hello Tony, how are you? Is with between the condensed glue gels and the no wipe top coat, it will not only is sucking and grip your base of the crystal and charms in one place, also it will finish it when you're completely done. You just need to add some precision glue and then you are good to go. Oh, this one looks delicious. Oh, that's it. That's all we're doing. Anything else we should do add on? I don't know. I really like, even I can do the 40 and fun, but this one is so fun though. I don't know. It looks different. I like that. It's super cute. Okay. Here for 60 seconds and then we're gonna do a precision glue later. All right, everyone. Let's move on to the next one.